What's going on? Welcome back to the channel for another video. So I'm a part of a few photography-based Facebook groups, and I witnessed a pretty heated debate that I wanted to share with you here on the channel. But first, like the video for the algorithm and subscribe if you're new. Grab some popcorn, because this is about to get heated. Okay, so being here on YouTube, I try my best to stay positive and focus on the fun of photography. But sometimes I end up seeing a post and I just start reading the comments. And I sit back and I watch the drama unfold. So I'll just jump into it. I'm not gonna name the group, and I've edited out people's names and their profile pictures. So a person posted this: iPhone 16 Pro is the game changer in terms of a photographer? So first, I think he means photography, not photographer. I've never depended on a cell phone for photography because I feel that it's more of a use what you have scenario. I compare it to Polaroid versus high quality SLR back in the day. Yeah, it's fun to play with, it captures the moment, but as far as quality, it's just not the same. And I sure would never go out on a professional shoot using a cell phone. I know if I was a client and my photographer showed up armed with only a cell phone, I'd be hiring a new photographer. But that's just me. Anyway, this got a lot of responses, and I'll share a few of them. So the first commenter says, I swear, every year the new iPhone comes out, this conversation appears. Get yourself one of these. Now, he's not wrong. Every year this topic pops up, whether it's in a Facebook group or all over YouTube, and most of the time, everyone's going gaga over the new phone, even though the updates are minuscule at best. Now the next few comments agree. Nope, but I can hardly wait to answer the question again the same way on the 17 Pro. Followed by hell no, no, and no comparison to DSLR. Again, I have to agree. A cell phone is in no way as good as or equal to a DSLR or mirrorless camera. It just isn't. I've seen some great shots that came from cell phones, and on Instagram, they look amazing. But once you zoom in, even a little bit, they start to fall apart. Again, if that's all you have, use it. Capture those moments and use the love of photography to continue to shoot. But you have to graduate to an actual camera. So then a short dispute erupts. No, but if you really think they're superior, go for it. I don't care about cell phones for photography. If it's a camera you have on hand, use it. But no one should think they're a comparison, merely a compromise, and what is on hand to use at the moment. And if you can actually sit here and tell me that their sensor is so much better than any other flagship sensor, I'll listen and laugh the whole time inside, whilst agreeing and nodding my head. And dude just responds, seriously dude, what's your damage? At this point, I'm just here for the drama now. So it continues. Is my microwave chicken a game changer versus grilled chicken? Now to me, this is one of the funniest responses because it's true. Grilled chicken is so much better than microwave. Then other people start responding. LOL, no, it's a game changer for Apple, proving once again they can sell the same thing over and over again with minimal updates. And you'll know the difference real quick when you go to edit. Phones look good, yes, but when you edit a phone pic versus an actual camera pic, you'll realize the phone pic lacks so much information and you can't do near as much to get what you like. Now, if you don't have a particular style and just want a photo that's kind of cool, then cool. The other thing is, if you do a photo shoot for someone, you probably shouldn't show up and whip out a camera phone. That's what I said. Now, the way I look at it is, why spend $2,000 on a cell phone for your photography instead of an actual camera that's actually meant for photography? But I guess people have their reasons. So then it goes on with more comments. It's still just a phone, so no. Asking if a phone is a game changer in photography makes me think you shouldn't be here. Noted. Thanks for the reply. And no, Apple makes trash phones as it is, but no, a phone doesn't replace a camera. And then the last comments before I stopped reading were, if you take photos with a cell, you need to ask yourself, are you a real photographer? I know the best camera is the one you have, but a cell phone is not a camera. Cell phone does not equal a DSLR camera, followed by a frowny face. And finally, yeah, I stand with my point. If you go up to a client and you do a photo shoot with your cell phone, they will question how professional you are. So yeah, it got pretty heated. And some of these comments are pretty brutal. But in all honesty, I get that cell phone cameras are a convenience. Not everyone wants to carry around a camera with a bunch of lenses inside of a bag and so on. But you also shouldn't show up to a professional shoot with a cell phone. And could a cell phone with a sensor a quarter the size of a drone sensor ever be considered a game changer? I honestly think that people that don't own professional gear see the results they get from a cell phone and are personally happy. And if you're happy, that's all that really matters here. But at the same time, I would never go into a photography group and ask that question because I would know what type of responses are coming. In the end though, pursue photography however you want, but just be aware most photographers take this very, very seriously. We use the cameras we use for many reasons, but convenience is never one of them. Our cameras are extensions of our artistic and photographic eye. Some photographers are insulted by the fact that so many people treat cell phone cameras like the second coming, instead of what it really is, an add-on to your phone to offer the consumer the convenience of having a camera everywhere they go. But I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you agree with any of these comments, or do you disagree, or are you more like me and have opinions but try not to read into it too much? Whatever your stance on it, let me know down in the comments. Also, let me know if you want to see more content like this, because I'm kind of just messing around with this. And if so, and you like this content, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell so you never miss out on the good stuff. Also, visit my website, jeff-gresham.com for photo prints and to purchase my brand new Lightroom presets pack. You'll get 13 presets that I personally use every day, wow, for only $10. Sorry, my voice cracked. And that's gonna do it for this one. So until next time, get out there and shoot. And I'll see you in the next video.